Hello guys, today I was telling about how to fix Chivalry to invite friends not working on PS4 and PS5. To do this, Chivalry to invite friends not working on PS4 and PS5. Removing and adding friends back. The first solution to try is to remove the friends from your friends list on your platform and then add them back through Chivalry to code system, and this will might refresh the connection between your friends accounts and fix the issue. And launch the Chivalry to on console, navigate to the friends and menu in game joining, and shutdown server and shutdown server can be found on the game modes tab in Chivalry 2. Although you might not be on same team, joining the same server should at least allow to you play together. And adding friends on game server, so sometimes the issue might be with the epic game launcher itself. And in this case, you can try adding each other on the game server and check if the invites work, and check if you and your friends are added to the epic game launcher and joining the same game server. And another simple solution is to join the same game server as your friend and choose the same team, and this might enable to play together without using the invite system. And launch the Chivalry 2 on your console and find the game server your friends playing on. And thanks for watching us.